Unlocking the secrets of affiliate marketing. Unveil the hidden potential of affiliate marketing with us. Are you a beginner? No worries, we got you covered. We'll start with the basics, explaining what affiliate marketing is and why it matters. You'll learn the core concepts and fundamental strategies that successful marketers use daily. In week 2, we'll dive into the key players in this game. We'll explain the roles of the merchant, the network, the publisher, and the customer, and how they interconnect. Week 3, we'll take it up a notch and get practical. With actionable tactics and real-world examples, you'll learn how to launch your first campaign and generate profit from your traffic. In our final week, we'll teach you how to scale your business. Learn the essential tools and platforms that can help you reach a wider audience and maximize your earnings. Join us today and become an affiliate marketing pro in just 30 days. This is your ticket to financial freedom. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101, from beginner to pro in 30 days.